What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be working on Pixel 5 protection by installing the Gesma tempered glass screen protector kit and Ghostek Covert 4 case. As always, I only feature products that I buy or would like to buy. This gives the channel more credibility and appeal because we feature items that interest me and change the way we live. Don't have time to watch the whole video? We're now a podcast you can find on multiple platforms by searching for Pixels Cracked. And if you are listening to this on a podcast, you can find the YouTube channel by searching for Pixels Cracked as well. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So let's start with the Jesma display protector kit. I found this kit interesting because it included a protector for the front display and rear camera module. The contents include instruction manual, installation tools, 3 display protectors, and 3 camera module protectors. Sometimes these kits come with a spray solution, but this one skips it, which is a slight inconvenience. Installation of these kits normally require adequate water and patience. I recommend application under a bright light, compressed air to make sure debris are absent, and a liquid applicator to assist with installation. Application of the screen and camera protector were easy. The biggest challenge is making sure you don't get anything on the display before you apply the protector. You can also use a card with a lens cleaning cloth over the edge to squeegee out any excess fluid. By the next day, the protectors were dry underneath and clear of the liquid application. The camera module protector came out perfectly. The display protector had a few minor blemishes in a few areas, and they're really hard to see, so it doesn't bother me all that much, but just something to keep an eye out for. Agents need items that work quick, and this case doesn't disappoint. It's flexible, which means it equips quickly to the Pixel 5. So let's talk case impressions. The translucent properties of the case allow us to see a majority of the Pixel 5 while keeping it protected. We've got what I like to call Spec Ops diamond grips along the side. They create a grippy surface, and they're somewhat discreet. They're hard to see, which is what I like about them. They're kind of stealthy. At this point, you probably noticed I have Velcro on the back of the Ghostek Covert 4. When it comes to cases, I have some guidelines, Velcro application being one of them. I like to mount my phones to different surfaces, so if I can't apply Velcro to the back of the case, it doesn't work for me. Ghostek Covert 4 takes Velcro very well, so it passes the Velcro application test. On the back of the case is a spring-loaded kickstand with magnet. Form and function fall in line with the Covert agent theme. One important note, be aware of the kickstand. It extends out from the case slightly, causing it to get stuck on items in some situations. So final thoughts. The screen protector was easy to install on the display and the camera module. And then there's the Ghostek Covert 4, which is certainly agent worthy. It feels like an upgrade even for a new device like the Pixel 5. It's very functional and it simply looks cool. My only concern is the kickstand breaking off since it does extend from the back slightly. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching this on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now there are 3 ways you can support the content. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would like to buy, and anything that you do buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way you can support us is just by sharing this with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can support us is just by clicking that subscribe or follow button. Liking and subscribing are important because those are your ways to vote on if you like the video or the podcast. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon checking out.